for this year's goodie bag, I'm going to do it in my bed. We're gonna do this. We have this cards. What are they calling them? Holiday cards that my mom actually gave them to my girls. So we're gonna use them. They're gonna have a holiday card, and I'm gonna go ahead inside and let them write something or draw a picture on them. We're gonna add some candy in it, and the main one is their candy cane, their big candy cane, or a small candy cane, and a selected candy that they choose. And then these are the baggies. The baggies, I got them from the Dollar Tree. This is how they look. They have both sides have the printed thing. You can see inside. I will add the big candy cane. And then I'll add the little candy cane. I'm going to add the card. Let's say the card. And then the card goes inside. I'm not going to add the envelope, I don't think. Only the card, so it looks like that. Now I'm going to add the candy and tie them up, and it'll be like that. I'm going to go ahead and let them draw something inside or whatever they're going to draw. And then I'm going to assemble all of them into the thing. Other years I usually do a little plushie or a little something, but it's getting very expensive, so I opted for specific candies, and I wanted them to be mostly red. So yes, that's what I'm going to do. Let them draw something in there, and then I'll come back and show you. There you have it. I have them already in that bag, and I have more in this one, but they're ready right there. You can see this is how they will look. They can see the card from one side and all the goodies on the other side. That's for one of my daughters. This is for other of my daughters. She chose this holiday one with the princess, and then one of my other ones was Mickey and Minnie. And for the teacher, this time we opted for a box of chocolates, and I will add a Starbucks gift card. I will add their thing here and how much it is. With a little piece of tape, I'm gonna tape it to the box, and then they can give this for the teacher. Very quick, very easy, and you can't go wrong with chocolates and coffee money for teachers. Other than that, that is how I quickly did this holiday goodie bags with the holiday card, the candy, and the chocolate and gift card for the teachers. Hopefully you guys like this. The gift cards, I had them. My mom gave them to me. She had them. The goodie bags, I got it from the Dollar Tree. Now the candy canes, I forgot to tell you, I got them from a grocery store because they were 98 cents. Unlike the dollar store, that they carry less quantity of candy canes, but they're $1.25, so you would go better with the grocery store for the 98 cents for the candy canes, the 12 candy canes. This ones I also got at a grocery store. It's called Grocery Outlet. It was a little bit under the price where you usually would get them. I can't remember if they were $7. And then of course I have the gift card. I did only add $10 here for their drink for Starbucks. And yep, that is all that I have for you guys today. Hopefully you guys liked my idea for the holiday goodie bags. And other than that, thank you guys for watching. Click subscribe if you haven't done so, and if you already did, thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year.